A jig, by definition, can be a lively dance or a tool that can help you with repetitive processes. You don't want to see me dance. It's not a pretty sight, so let's talk about the tool. This is the KREG deck jig. It's for putting in hidden fasteners on a deck. I've got a mock-up right here, and we're going to talk about it. But first of all, let me say this. I've seen a lot of hidden fastener systems, and they are great. It's a beautiful way to make a deck look wonderful without seeing all of the nails or screw heads right on top of the boards. Most of them are pretty much unique to composite wood, and typically you'll see some that'll have a groove right along the side, and in that groove you'll put a clip. I've seen metal clips, I've seen plastic clips, don't really like those. But either way, it's a great system. However, I do have a problem with that. Think about it this way. You've got a clip, basically think about it a little tab on a can. As wood expands and contracts, that clip is going to be moving a little bit over time. You know as well as I do what happens after so much movement. The clip comes off. So we want a strong bond. The strongest bond, in my opinion, is wood to wood. Now, when you've got a wood deck, you don't really have that hidden fastener system until now. Look at this. This is that KREG system I was talking about. What you have for the heart of the system is this jig with 3 guides, very easy to set up and install. You've got 3 spacers, whether they are 1/4 inch or 5/16. Even gives you a DVD to let you know how everything goes to place. Let me show you how easy this is. Starts with a few screws. It even gives you a choice of these coated screws, which is great for pressure treated, or stainless steel if you really want to go the extra mile. For most decks, still, I do like composite, but you can't beat the look of real wood. I'm going to use the 1/4 inch spacers. Put this into place. Now, the very strongest joint that you can get is this straight-on shot. Look at the jig here. You see the little dotted lines here? Those are your guides. You want that in the center of the joist. I'm going to lay this down. I've already attached this board. I'm putting pressure on it to push it this way against my spacers. We've got 2 bits, and I'm using 2 different drills just to make this go easier. If you notice, there's already a stop collar on there. Look on the jig. Look on the guide right here. You can see it tells you how to put the stop collar on. There's no guesswork here, folks. All right, we're going to start with the drill bit. We're going to pre-drill it. Pop in a screw. You're done. Now, what if you are going against a wall? You can't get that middle one there. That's where these 45s come into play. Once again, let's take our guide, line it up, pre-drill, pop in a screw. Now we're ready to actually switch sides. When you are finished, you have a gorgeous deck, very well made, no nail holes, no screw holes, and a wood-to-wood bond.